Dear participants, welcome to our transformation journey. Welcome to the 2023 edition of the Saint-Gobain ESFI. The transformation journey is here to take you on a great adventure. A journey into the near future and at the heart of transformation. Be ready to discover valuable connections, partnerships and solutions. Be ready to find better pathways forward beyond your expectations. Achieving our transformation journey means moving, flowing, acting, collaborating on a global scale, unlocking amazing possibilities. Whether you are here in the auditorium or you are remote, you are all connected. Your transformation journey is now live. Go!